Perfect. Perfect.
Babe, I know that. You know something I know what to like.
I thought you signed them.
Alright.
We saw then we go down the plan, then we go beach. Once we go beach, we go straight up. Volunteers.
Alright.
Let your phone, you have a live in there. Yeah, but it's supposed to put this.
Oh, guys, we're waiting. I was hella late. So late. And I'm nervous.
The rocksteady craze came about in the late 1960s.
We're in the waiting room.
Very popular in the
Kind of late.
1960s in the US and Europe as well as Jamaica. In the US we had
Barely had time to do my face or anything.
Push that, so take you right here. Alright, I'll leave it to you.
Alright, so
Tour?
Yeah. Them not have your. Yeah, eat me, say. You know, the on the wall in a sugar. Why not? Don't forget the classic.
Fast forward a few decades later, and guess what? Boom! It's a fashion statement and has taken over. So here to show us how we can achieve the look without too much maintenance is LaToya Nemard. Now, LaToya is supposed to get very annoyed by me because about 6 times I message her and I inbox my IG. I said to her, I want to come. How much does it cost? What do I do? So I have to bring the hair? And she gives me all the information and then I can never reach because the locks can't hold on that wig. The locks can't hold on that wig. People head and stuff. I asked her, oh, so those are your actual locks? We're supposed to like using her as a comparison. Yeah. She's like, no, full locks. They're not. How did this become a trend?
Full locks have been around for a while. All I did was kind of revamp the technique to give it a more realistic look because that's what people are really looking for.
So you think real locks every day?
This is lightweight.
What?
That's all.
Alright, goodie. I'm gonna touch your ear.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, and then I guess this avoids the wrap and the whole heap of tightness.
No.
Okay, so tell me about the models that you have behind you here now.
Alright, I have 2 models. Alicia's hair, she has black mid-back length with burgundy highlights, 99J highlights. This install is over a month old, but everybody's hair grows out.
So you touch it up over a time? Like
yes, like if you wish to keep it in longer, you can get it refreshed. Okay. And this is Marissa, and Marissa's had hers in for over 3 months.
No, when I saw Marissa's hair, I thought Marissa's hair was actual locks. I thought that was a comparison.
Some people really rock faux locks, like
and it blends in so well with her roots.
Where is her hair?
It's under there.
Yeah, where is her hair? Under there.
Oh, guys. You use it to transition.
Yes,
but a lot of times that's their goal. They're actually transitioning and they want to give their hair a break while they're doing that.
And you don't want braids. So you need to that's so basic.
Yeah.
You want something.
A lot of them actually wish to have actual locks, but you're not sure how you're going to look with it.
Right.
So they try this out first.
Yeah.
And then there's 2 girls. Yeah.
Everything you talk about. You need to look like they're going to have a nice conversation and so we're going to sit down with like some butt lines. So I'm ready.
She's ready.
Black History Month in our represent.
Yeah.
Guys, I just left TVJ and we're gonna get some breakfast in BK. Oh, I want to sleep. Phone is blowing up. Hey guys, oh, I'm tired. Alright, so let me tell you guys the juice, like, you know, what it was. Huh? Careful. Alright, so I eat off all my lipstick and everything, put my hair up into a bun. But so what was it, Thursday evening I got a call while I was doing somebody's hair, you know, about the whole TVJ interview, all of that. It was all short notice. I didn't even get to make an intro this morning because we were rushing and I was late, and like, guys, I ended up at 3 Mile and it was a mess, but we ended up getting there on time ish, and you know, my 2 models came through. And I love them for that, because I was trying to get models, like, you know, and like everybody, oh my god, I'm so busy, blah blah blah, blah. And I have to understand because it's short notice, right? Just talk to him while I'm take off this. Come on, I want to go sleep, so I'm gonna just take this off. So she called me the Thursday while I was doing the person's hair, and I was like scampering because I'm just like, how am I gonna pull this off? No. So I was like, yeah man, I'll definitely do it, but let me just, you know, say what I can do. Please send me a WhatsApp message and just tell me all the details that you'd want me to talk about. So, you know, I've been like nervous since then. This is my first actual TV appearance. I did nervous, but it was fun though. It was fun. They didn't make it awkward. It was fun. So I had the 2 models, and basically I wanted their hair to be styled, but there was no time for anything. Like, there was just no time for anything. When they put the 2 of them in the chair and they're like, oh, turn this way when you're referring to the hair, you know, when they're gonna style it, and I'm like, style it? So I'm supposed to style it too? It was but thank god it's gone, because I was really nervous. But it was a good experience. And my phone has been blowing up since, so I will respond to all the messages when I wake up. But for now, I'm very tired, and it just so happens that I don't have any work today, which is so convenient, because right now I'm really tired. So I'm just going to take a nap. I really don't think this vlog is going to be long, but I just really wanted to share my little, like, at least a snippet of my TV experience with you guys, because it's my first time appearing on live TV. But yeah, I'm really tired and I have a headache. I sat up last night and did my hair like till about, I want to say after 1, and then I went to sleep. Well, I shut my eye like after 2. No lies, I finished my hair after 2, and then I shut my eyes after 3. Yeah, and then I set my alarm for 5 o'clock, and it said I had an hour and some change sleep. I'm so alright, cool. But then I missed the alarm. That was so insane. Like, I don't know what's going on right there. Somebody just on my phone said missed alarm. Yo, I've never rushed so fast in a long time. But we did it, and it's over. I'm glad it done, because I did just low-key stressed out about the whole thing. But it was a great experience, and I'm glad I did it. But mega sleep. I don't think this vlog is going to extend into ZJ something telling us that him wake me up. Which is true. I never know how him waking up, because him did stone cold knockout, you know, like I don't know how him wake, but my alarm just never go off, yo. I don't know what happened. Yeah. Him saying that I have a bad dream, that's why I wake up. I like it, him get up. Like, I don't know how we're ready quick though, that's all I know. Ready fast. Jump up, beard. Jeez, my god. I don't know, I'm just do quick face. My go-to face is nude, everything. With the nude, the little pinkish nude lips, like, saves me every time. And that sleek mascara, oh my god, because I was worrying about my lashes and if they would show. Girl, that I'm Conditional mascara is boss, like boss. I am so sleepy. Hey Joyner. Oh god, Guys, my goal is sleep. If anything, I'll just continue this vlog tomorrow. I have 2 clients. I can show you guys my locks, which is what the interview was all about. I can show you guys my locks tomorrow. So anybody watching this vlog will see, you know, that it's about the natural glam locks, and that's what I had the interview for. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I have work. We run here, do? Huh? You want the fidget spinner? Here. Just gonna drop it by yourself. Go on. Church time. Oh, guys, it's all pink in here. My room, pink. That's why. Morning. I have my client now. I'm gonna be starting her hair. We did her early because Marletta tried to get ready for church, and she made me kind of run like behind. But I'm gonna start now. I have to clear off my phone because I only have 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining. So yeah.
But anyway, she's been in a coma ever since, and her brain is like 10 times the size it should be. I just thought, wouldn't it be a nice gesture if she wakes up? Hey, didn't she wake up? She gave me an evolution thing, so they're downstairs and they don't leave. Oh, this one's just twins, so. All 4 of mine look exactly like Dean. Go figure. Stop it. Mom, he hit me. Boys, homework, I swear to God.
And then I'm about to turn it on. Good morning, guys. Oh shoot, I left my earrings inside. Give me a second. Okay, guys, my feel wet. I'm gonna have on the lotion. Oh god. Morning, guys. Okay, so I wanted to do a bit of preaching before I left out for work this morning because I felt like doing it. You guys know, like, I don't want to make my vlogs just for making my vlogs. I want you guys to, I want these videos to be something encouraging for somebody. This year didn't start out like wonderful. It starts out with like loss and like bad vibes, and you know what I mean, like things that you wouldn't be happy about as a person. And like right now, as things are, I feel like things are like better. I feel like more, what would I call that, more encouraged, right? But I'm just saying this to say that I want you guys to believe in yourself. That's all. I preach the same thing over and over, and I hope somebody gets it. Like, believe in yourself. When it's your time, it will be your time, and you just have to continue believing in yourself. As things are right now, I am working a lot. I am tired a lot, but I understand that doing this is for the greater good. I have goals to meet this year, so I'm going really hard. I work every single day. I'm not interested in days off. Come on, White. I'm not interested in days off. Unless it's for me to, if I feel like I really can't go. If anybody know me in real life, I'm push myself. Like, I push myself. Push myself so much to, like, my friends always say, so wait, what you do today? Like, why? So you don't feel like you need to take a break? I don't know. I'm not wired to relax. I'm not stay so. I don't know. I'm not wired to relax. I'm always overthinking. I'm always sometime overworking. But it's because I have goals to meet, and I always feel some way, like I always feel like I'm there behind. So I just want you guys to just, how would I put this? Like, I hope when I get what me I say. It's cause like my visualize on me that go say, but right now my brain just not really work. Cause it's like, I don't know if I'm still asleep or something. But I'm living a life right now that's very routine. Get up every day, do the same thing. of course, different results every day, but it's the same thing. But find your purpose. Find your purpose. Find the reason why you're supposed to be doing what you're doing, and find the purpose within what you're doing. If it doesn't feel like you're doing it for a purpose, don't do it. Don't waste your time, because at the end of the day, you're the one who's going to feel unfulfilled. Like, you're gonna feel like, so yeah, didn't make no sense. And for a long time, I felt lost, because I never feel now becoming not do what everybody else want me to do. But sometimes being stubborn is a good thing. Anybody who know me know I'm stubborn as hell. I'm stuck in my ways, and it's how I am, and I really don't plan to change, because I believe say people for stand up for something, right? And that's just like, man, I know that's my thing. That's my thing. Not everybody is like that. Some people want the security of a 9 to 5, or people just want security, like, period, to feel like, okay, I have a job. But I don't know, I'll take my chances out here in these streets. I love what I do, but it's not more so like just about work. It really is about purpose and about believing in yourself, and know, say, yo, like, I'm doing this and I believe so much in me. I feel like if I never believed in me all this time, I wouldn't feel as though I am getting somewhere, because I would have stopped already, you know. But I really do believe there's a reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. And with that being said, a lot of you guys are actually messaging me. I'm getting a lot of messages from subscribers, emails and so on, for you guys who want to actually book to get the style done. Keep those coming. I like, as things are right now, I'm doing my social media marketing myself. I am working in the business myself, and I have to be handling all the communications with potential clients and actual clients, and dealing with the emails. I'm doing all of that myself. It's a one-man show. Well, it's not a one-man show directly anymore, right? But for the majority of the part, I'm doing this like by myself, and I'm working on building a team. That's the goal now. But last time I never get to finish the vlog, but I like it was bits and pieces, guys. Yesterday was a rough day for me. My back was killing me, and I just really wanted to be done for the day, so I wasn't like vlogging as I should be. Oh my god, may I talk 5 minutes? No, I can't talk, so oh my lord. But I just wanted to make this part for you guys this morning, not just, oh hey guys, good morning, but hey guys, it's Monday. Believe in yourself today. Encourage yourself today, because what you're doing it for a reason, and you don't know who you're motivating by doing your thing. All right, so that's just what I wanted to say today. Today I have a full day. I have 2 or 3 clients, not 100% sure, because one of them is a bit iffy. Yeah, I'm having a lot of days, like going through the days like a zombie, but it is what it is. I'm doing what I'm doing for a reason, and yeah. So I'm gonna leave out now. I'm actually to put back this morning appointment from 9 o'clock to 9:30, and it's now almost 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna leave out now. But I will see you guys on the flip side. I'm doing a reinstall of locks today. Reinstall of the same locks. She reused them. She took them out perfectly, and I'm good on, you know, them Gucci, so she's gonna put them back in. But yeah, that's what that is. That's what I'm doing today. So I have a full day. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. I really hope you guys are liking the vlogs. Yeah. Yeah, there's a song I want you guys to hear. Hold on, see if I can do the whole. I'm gonna do it on Snapchat.
Get away from me. If I was you, I'd watch what you say to me. Snakes all in my bed, wanna lay with me. This ain't no motherfucking game, why you play with me? Don't play with me, this the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love, I love, 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 love. I love, don't play with me, this the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love, I love, 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 love. I love.
Eggs and a piece of bread for breakfast. I left my tea on the side table. Almost 10 o'clock, and I think I have a 10 o'clock. 9:30, 10 minute alarm. A bit. She can use the Shape body wash. I left my tea on the side table, so I'm just gonna be drinking some June plum juice. Yeah, it has a lot of ginger though, but it almost done. So I feel so sleepy, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna start working now. Yes.
I'm already up. As soon as I get out, I'm gonna go back to the hood, sling dope, make a grand a day. I'm up for going to jail, but I got 3 kids. I can't live on a minimum wage. Besides, kid, most of the homies in here can't either. Crazy.
He took the second victim. Oh, hang on a second. We don't release that information. So either a cop is so...
Hey, Cupcake. Tell the lady what you just told me. We tracked the bike. Registered to a David LaQuasta. He was here earlier today to ID the jewelry. His sister was the 5th victim. I've never seen you there. What'd I tell you? Revenge.
The baby's coming.
Yeah. Long enough to turn into a teenager.
Did you terminate a pregnancy? How did you know that? I knew. Did the father pressure you to do it? Out loud? Oh, yeah, no, he would never. But he did make it clear that if I didn't, I would be twisted in the wind. And I just keep thinking about this little munchkin that I'm never going to see you.
Hey guys, good night. No. They really gonna say that in my vlog. Guess whose birthday it is, guys? CJ birthday today. Tell him happy birthday in the comment section.
Which vlog is that?
It's
Birthday vlog?
TVJ vlog. I like join up together.
Oh.
I'm never lock it on, so.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Marla. Happy birthday to you. Tell Papa happy birthday. Yeah.
Fyah. Where you go? Where you get?
Huh?
Where you get?
I don't know. What to get, guys? I don't know. So tell him happy birthday in the comment section. Don't know much on old man and thing.
Right.
We'll come on fireside for dinner, guys. So I'm trying to figure out how to get.
Funny?
But you know.
Lift up.
Oh guys, I'm showing my shoes. I'm done showing my shoes. I love them. But we're gonna get dinner. Figure out what to eat. I have like 7 minutes and 33 seconds left on my phone. Marla, stop it, nice. Here are my shoes, guys, that I wanted to show you. So dope. Shoe cam. Shoe cam. Them not ugly at all, like good. Them cute. Him like wicked. Them cute. Look there. Hater. Hater. Look at Giselle. Look at Giselle. You gonna behave? Tell everybody you've not been good. Tell them. Tell them no. Stop. Say hi, everybody. Stop it. Say hi. Bye. Oh my God, bro. Marley, where you gonna eat? There are the places, guys. That's where we went. And now we are got home. We are got home now. Take out your finger now. Oh. Guys, we're home now. I have work in the morning, bright and early. I'm belly full. As you guys can see, we just eat what heap of food. I'm not even done eat, but we're not good. I ate a lot of food. See, just some of it tell us my belly big too. Come on, got tell us some belly full. Oh god, how cute are these necklaces, guys? Like, I have one and I have one, and I just wore the two of them tonight because I wanted stacked necklaces. So and they're both from the same place, StyleSlay876 on IG. So this is where I close out this vlog. Guys, may I go sleep. Once again, happy birthday, CJ Sterling.
Birthday ain't over yet, because I haven't get my present.
I'm saying I get him present yet, so birthday not over. It's not over, because I'm not 12 yet, anyway, right?
Over and get present.
Okay. We're not getting present till next week.
I want to carry tonight, present. I'll get the present tonight, no? A present.
I ordered something for him, guys, but it not come till Monday. So I've been told it not come till Monday. But Marla, you need to come go on your bed now. Thanks guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys found it interesting. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye. Mwah. Also guys, remember that my booking info is down below in the description if you guys want to book an appointment for my faux locks or any other style that I offer. Okay, bye.